Hello everyone, hope you had a wonderful week and weekend. And here is your dollar yen starting on the weekly time frame. I expect in the near term we're going to have a push back up to test those 110.10s again, and then we're going to have a following push to the downside. And again, still looking for ultimately, and by ultimately I mean in the next several weeks before the next major bounce should occur, we should press down to around the 1.745.50 level and then have a nice rally back up to test those 109s. And so I'm not sure exactly when that's going to transpire, but it should happen nonetheless. So 4-hour time frame just to see what's happening on our near term. And keep in mind we do have the minutes this week, and that is on Wednesday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can see on our 4-hour we are right below the 50 along the trend line, 200 above us along with this. So again, looking for another press above the 109.76 level, challenge resistance here again, and then most likely looking at another press to the downside. 109s should be on the docket sometime this week, I would think, and then following we should have another bounce and then continue to the downside, like I said, to those 107.50s, let's call it that. And until that, I mean, we really don't have much of a major bounce, I don't think, so we'll see. So far we'll have that nice little move early, I would believe, in the week, and then after the minutes come out, who knows what will end up happening as far as bond yields, or on the treasuries, the 10 and the 2 specifically. Do we continue to see them rising or do we see them fall? And what are the ramifications of that type of a move? So again, if the dollar yen pair does push up to the 110.14s or so, we should have a very nice move back down. If we save the 109.75, which is the 23.6 fibs, then we are looking for another potential move back up higher, surprisingly, above the 110.10s to 110.60s to challenge topside resistance again. But I don't really see that as a high probability, but I can't necessarily throw it out the window either, just given the overall look of this potential next move. So if we did do that move, though, I would think that that would happen next week, not this week, unless we did get a stronger dollar and we ended up pressing up higher, kind of defying all reasonable logic of price analysis at least. So we'll see what happens along that front. But again, expecting 110.10 test back down to 23.6 fib, which is around the 109.75. If we bounce at this level again and smash the 110.20s, we could be on our way up to 110.60s, 110.70s again, and that should be the hard line in the sand for this move.